Hi, I'm Zoe. I'm the Director of Flat Out International. I'm here in Brigadoon Caravan Park in North Haven, and I'm having a chat to Glen, who's recently bought the Flat Out products. Glen, how long have you been caravanning?
I've been caravanning for about 5 years now.
Yeah, right. Same van the whole time?
No, we progressed from the pop-up slide out type caravan, and then we've gone recently to a bigger caravan with the bunks in it for the kids.
Yeah, nice. And what was your biggest frustration over the years? I mean, I bet there's been a few, but can you list some of the things that have, that you've got over the time that's made life easier?
Yeah, sure. So the biggest one was buying a full caravan, so we didn't have to set up. And then from there, it's always you get to a site and you want to set up. You want to get to relaxing as quick as possible. Yeah. And one of the things that I found was rolling out all of the hoses and the cords and everything like that, and plugging the van in. So over the time, and especially seeing your product and meeting you and seeing how good that was a big game changer for me. Yeah,
nice. Yeah. How do you find the space in comparison to what you had before?
Yeah, so I used to have those, the grey mesh bags that you put each cord into, or the hoses and things, and they would have to be jammed up somehow into the front boot that I've got. And now I've just got the 3 reels all side by side in the one spot, so it's great, saved a lot of space.
Nice. Do you think, I know that you've sort of talked about how, relaxing as quickly as possible, so it saved you time, packing up as well?
Oh, that's probably the best part of the product, is you can just click it in, reel it up, and it's just done within, a matter of a minute or so. And that definitely has saved the most amount of time, because those old grey bags, pushing the cord in and getting that through was just a lot of time and effort.
The smell of the Sully Chose. Have you noticed in comparison your old Sully Chose, did you find that it was smelly?
So I normally would, and it's a good tip for everyone, is to, when you're disconnecting everything, is to run some fresh water through the pipe, even with your product. So I don't think I've found that so much, but it's always a good tip to just rinse the pipe with all of the stuff you get from your sink and your shower and things like that before you pack everything away.
As a tidy person, yeah?
Yes.
Even when you had your old gear, did you find that when you set it up well that you would still have, or packed it up well, that you would still have tangle issues when you got it out again? Or were you always okay with that? It's more just been about just the time saver, how much quicker it is now?
No, definitely. The way my front boot is and where I store everything, it was a matter of if you wanted the power cord first, or they're all on top of each other and you'd have to pull them all out at once. Whereas this, I can just easily get one at a time out from the reel.
So it saves on that frustration level.
Exactly. Yeah, it's great.
Is frustration in setup and pack up, is that one of the factors that limits how many short weekends you go away for?
I think so. It's always nice to be able to go away and relax. I've got 3 young kids and they're always around your feet and dad, this, that. So it's always good that if you can make your life easy and simple, that you're going to enjoy your time away. Yeah.
And any other benefits to the product that you found? Share about?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So I think the biggest one would be the electric cord winding up. It just allows you really quickly to pack that away, as well as the lay flat hose. It's neat and tidy in underneath the van once you've pulled it out. It's fun for the kids to grab the end of it and run it out the whole way and get it off the reel. So yeah, that's some good benefits to the product.
When you were purchasing, was the fact that it was Aussie made a factor?
Yes, most definitely.
Well, thank you for supporting our brand, and thanks for helping us out to share the love with everyone else.
No, it's an excellent product.
Yeah, thanks Glen.